Hello guys, welcome to today's very short tutorial. It's an expansion of the last tutorial, the falling animation I created. And now I added a sound when the disc is falling to the ground. And today I will show you how to do this. And first I will show you how it sounds. It's not very well synchronized because it's in simulation. I can guarantee you that if you use it on a real device, it will sound much better. But now let's get started. At first we have to add a sound file to our project folder, and this one I copy. Then I go to the project folder on app, source, main, res, and there we create a new folder, raw, and here we paste it. Now we can program the rest of it. If you did everything correctly, you should now have this little resource folder here. At first we have to add an media player object, MP. We have to initialize it also with MP player.create, this as context, and r.raw.fall. This is the sound file in our raw folder. Well, and then we just have to put here on animation start. When the animation starts, it has to play the sound. So we use mp.start. And well, that's everything. Like I said, it's a very short tutorial, and now let's test it. This is our test application, and when I click on the disk, you should hear the sound. Yeah. Functioned, and well, that's everything. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel if you liked it, and leave a like. Have a nice day.